All right, in today's video, we're going to talk about solving two-step equations. All right, so we have two steps. First thing we're going to do is undo the constant, and then we're going to undo the coefficient. So looking at our first example here, I've got 5y minus 3 equals negative 23. So I'm going to undo my constant first, which my constant is the 3. So what is it doing to our variable? It's subtracting. So I'm going to add 3, giving me 5y is equal to negative 23 plus 3 is a negative 20. Now I need to undo the coefficient. So that's 5. It's multiplying, so I'm going to divide, and I get y is equal to negative 20 divided by 5, which is a negative 4. So my solution is y is equal to a negative 4. Okay, let's go ahead and look at another one. I've got m over 8 minus 5 equals negative 1. So looking at for the constant first, I've got negative 5 is my constant, or minus 5. So since it's subtracting from the variable, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. And I get m over 8 equal to, well, negative 1 plus 5 is 4. Okay, my coefficient in this case is 8, and it is dividing, so I need to multiply. So I get m is equal to, well, 4 times 8 is 32. So my solution is m equals 32. All right, next one. Now, yes, this one has a fraction in it, but I'm going to show you how to work with these. All right, so still, first thing I look at, what is my constant? Okay, the constant is the plus 6, so I'm going to subtract 6 on both sides. Okay, so that leaves me with negative 1/3 p equal to negative 6, or sorry, 0 minus 6 is negative 6. All right, so now we need to take care of the coefficient, which in this case is the negative 1/3. So anytime I have a fraction like this, I can flip the fraction, okay, and multiply. This only works when I have fractions, okay? It's the opposite of dealing with fractions. Best way to put it. All right, so flip the fraction and multiply. In doing this, these cancel each other out. So negative 3 over 1 times negative 1/3 gives me p left over. Negative 6 times negative 3 over 1 gives me 18. So my solution is p is equal to 18. All right, and one last one. I've got 14 equals 6 minus x. So again, even though the variable's on the right, I can still work this one out. Okay, so I'm looking for the constant, the number without the variable. Okay, in that case, it's the 6. And we're going to ignore the minus sign that comes after. That goes with the x. So 6 is positive here. So since it's positive, I'm going to subtract 6 from both sides. So 14 minus 6 gives me gives me 8 equals to, okay, 6 minus 6 is 0. That's good. I'm left with a negative x. So now x is not by itself. I still have that negative. Remember, so I'm going to divide by a -1 to both sides. So -8 is equal to x. Or we could say our solution is x equals a -8. All right, that's all I have for this video.